we just made.
Yeah. Oh, so this is the shelf that you
This
are
is
working on.
a shelf we just built. Like all these things are collected from all kinds of people.
Yeah. People just brought their stuff. Oh.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh.
So we have Play-Doh and tape and scissors and pens and electronic stuff and all these kinds of things. So we provide them. People are free to use.
I think this wasn't here when I came a week ago.
No, we just made it today.
Fast progress! すごい、1週間前とすでにもう部屋の様子が変わっています。
So everyone who works here can have a box. This is my box.
Oh.
So I have my stuff in there. Some of my stuff. And then there's different people working on their things.
Oh, this is
This is one guy who built his own CNC milling machine.
CNC is abbreviation for?
It's computer numeric control. It basically means that you have digital data, like you have a model created on the computer, and then you send this data over to this mechanic, and this can move, and then can cut out shapes.
Like this one.
Like this, for example.
すごい。プラスチックをそのままプリントアウトしちゃう 3D コンピューター、3D プリンター。
Yeah. And
Hi, I'm filming. I hope you don't mind.
and this is Philip.
Hello.
Co-founders of this is a little 3D printer that he made. It comes in a kit. You can order it. It's a Brooklyn-based firm who sells the kits. So you can assemble them and then basically print out 3D models.
Yeah.
Like
this was printed out?
Yes, it's several parts that are put together. But if you have a closer look, like you see the layers.
Oh yes.
So basically the way it works is that you have this simple mechanic. It's pretty much the same as the CNC.
Yeah.
Same principle, but much smaller, obviously. And then you have plastic material that goes in. It gets melted, and then it comes out.
へー、初めて見たよこれ。
There's a little string, and then it hardens and gets a 3D shape.
So this is how it works. I've heard of it, never seen it. This is awesome.
There's also a component, a module that can be used for icing for a cake, for example. So you can print on your cake or on your cookie.
Oh, so this is what you use to write messages, for example.
No, you can for example put cream in there or sugar and then print on the cake.
すごい。ケーキにもお菓子にもコーディングが使えちゃう。Wow, thank you. And people are working together.
People are working.
Hi. Having some fun. Most of the time struggling.
So who starts? He's an engineer student and he works on a big machine. That can then be used as a CNC router or as a laser cutter.
Wow.
Or what else could we make? Foam cutting. And it will look like this.
Oh, ta-da. Oh, that's like
or something.
cutter.
Hopefully similar to that.
So that's what you're working on.
Yeah, right.
Wow. You're working on a module. That's really cool.
So if you come back after Christmas, we will have this machine ready and a tidied up place with
shelves. I like the way it is too. At the moment, like mounting plastic foams and
all kinds of stuff.
So one last question.
Yeah.
What do you think is the tips for keeping this a community-based space? how are you tying this community together?
Well, we started with a community. So when we opened Open Design City, it was already a network of people. And we expanded the community by doing open design events. So we invited people over to come here, share their ideas. Like we have show and tell sessions where you can share what you're working on, and then we have workshops where you can teach people how to do 3D modeling or how to do welding and stuff like that. And we're also going to a lot of other spaces.
Okay, something.
Like we're visiting galleries and exhibitions and doing something there.
Yeah.
So we have a constantly growing network, and more people are coming in. We also have a philosopher at the moment working here, and she's from France, and she's working, writing about what's happening here. So she has a more scientific interest in seeing how we work together and how we create together and how this all...
Wow, so when this book comes out, we'll all know the secret of this space. なんか本まで出ちゃうみたいです。すごい。Okay, well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Any message to Japan?
Well, yeah, just don't plan too much. Just get in touch with your friends and with your network and start your own thing and let it grow organically. That's my message to Japan.
Thank you very much. またレポートします。よいしょ。